So you will touch with your fingertips like this before and then after. So let me label them, and then you will let them grow for 24 hours at 25 degrees Celsius, which is room temperature. And then you have to put in your Petri plates always your initials and date. So today is the 13th, and then you have it like that. It's not perfect, but this is for demonstration purposes only. Okay, so I'm going to touch here this doorknob that I believe is contaminated. So I'm going to rub it really well with my hands. And then I'm going to put my fingers in there, in the before. So this is number 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And we expect to see some sort of surface there, indentations. That means that you already touched. So now what I'm going to do is wash my hands with this hand sanitizer, which I'm not advertising any brand, so you cannot see it, but supposed to be antibacterial. So I'm going to rub in really well my fingertips. And you're supposed to wash your entire hands, but the only thing that I'm sampling in there is the fingertips, so there is no purpose for me to wash my entire hands. And then I will dry it as usual, and I'm not going to even touch it with my other hand to prevent contaminating these clean fingertips with my other hand. And then kind of let it dry a little bit and find the after part, which is this. So again, I'm going to touch 1, 2, 3, and 4. And apply certain pressure, but not too much, that you can break the agar. And as you can see, there are my fingertips in there. And then you just close the lid of the Petri plate and incubate it. It can be up to 48 hours, room temperature. And then you're supposed to see more bacteria before than after. And we'll see, because at some point I tend to wash so much my hands, depends on you, but also depends on how contaminated the doorknob, which it cannot be so contaminated. Your manual also tells you to do some sampling of other surfaces, whatever you believe is contaminated, including your sole of your shoes, which we will do that, but with this cotton swab in another part of the video.